Huawei P20 Pro Review. A real pro for photography. As the Huawei P20 Pro shows, Huawei is no longer here to simply make up the numbers. It's ready to go toe-to-toe with the very best in the smartphone world. It doesn't come cheap, but as the year has gone on its price has dropped, putting it below the most expensive flagships out there, the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the iPhone XS, though it's worth noting they're more powerful too. Even with the more powerful Huawei Mate 20 Pro following it, the P20 Pro remains one of our favorite phones of the year, and that's after a serious amount of time spent using it. There are some quirks to the Huawei design and software to get used to, but the remarkable work done on the camera makes this one of the most versatile phone photo shooters out there, whether you're a happy snapper or an amateur enthusiast photographer. Huawei P20 Pro price and availability. Launch price, £799, $1,099, around $1,110. Release date, April 2018. The Huawei P20 Pro price at launch was £799, $1,099, around $1,050. A few months on from launch, we've seen it approaching £600 in the UK, no doubt due in part to the launch of the Mate 20 Pro. That means it's well worth shopping around to see what kind of deal you can get on the P20 Pro. The hardware might be slightly older, but as the price drops it becomes better and better value. Check out our dedicated Huawei P20 Pro deals page to make sure you get it at its cheapest. The P20 Pro didn't arrive in the US immediately, and it's still not officially available with a local variant.